Hey traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik here. Let us see the pre-market analysis of Nifty Bank Nifty and other stocks to trade for tomorrow and what are the logic behind our analysis. Let us start with Nifty. It is in 5 minutes time frame. Let me change it to 15 minutes. So today the market was hitting the resistance and back to the support and then back to the resistance, and finally it broke the resistance and made a new high. Today it made a high of 16,628. So the market opened the price range of 16,545, made a high of 16,628, so totally 59 points higher from the opening price. So how could we take the trade for tomorrow? So we could clearly see that the Nifty has broken the resistance over here. So this will be acting as a support for tomorrow. Once when the market opens tomorrow flat or little gap down, let us wait for the price action. Once when the market reaches the support, because whenever the resistance gets breaks, it will be retesting here. So if we get an opportunity near the support area, if the market travels down and reaches the support area and we get any bullish candle confirmation over here, you could go for a buy, and our first target will be the today's swing high, which is around 16,225, and our second target will be 16,650. So this will be our targets for the buying side, and we could only go for a sell once when the market sustains below the support level. This is the first support level, which is around the price of 16,575. If a bearish candle sustains below it, we could go for a sell. So as usual, tomorrow is a Wednesday, the market will be hugely volatile. To trade with a minimum quantity. So once when the market breaks the support, you could go for a sell, and our first target will be support one. But we could see that in previous sessions the market was very hugely volatile around this area. So this will be a no trading zone. Better you could avoid trading over this area. You could go for a sell when the support 2 breaks, which is around the price range of 16,540. If a bearish candle sustains below the support level, you could go for a sell, and our targets will be the support 3, which is around 16,500. So these are all the analysis for Nifty for tomorrow's market, but I recommend you to go with a minimum quantity. Today the market was wonderful. All our targets has been hit as we discussed in the yesterday's video. But tomorrow you could go with a minimum quantity. And our next is Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank reached the support and record back, and it is closed around the price of 35,880. So let us consider that if the market opens tomorrow flat and crosses above 35,900, you could go for a buy once when the market crosses above 35,900, and our first target will be 36,000 and second target will be 36,100 on buying side. You could only go for a sell once when the market breaks the support area, which is around 35,620. So once when the support gets broke, you will be going for sell. And our next stock is ICICI Bank. Today ICICI Bank hit our target, reached the support and recovered very well. It has formed a double bottom pattern over support area and has given a breakout on the top. So once the market opens tomorrow around the closing price or little gap down, you could wait for the price action. Once when the price reaches the 698 or 699 around this region and gets a bullish confirmation candle, you could go for a buy, and our first target will be our first resistance, which is around 705, and our second target will be 712, and you could go for a sell once when the market sustains below the price of 696, and you could go for a target of our first support, which is 690, and if this support gets broke, you will be going for another selling opportunity. And our next stock is HTFC. So after a huge sideways market, the HTFC finally gave a breakout over the resistance and the market closed bullish. So for tomorrow, if the market opens around the closing price, we will be waiting for some time. Once when the market makes a sideways movement over here and crosses above 2,757, you could go for a buy. By keeping that candle's lower stop loss, you could go for a buy with 1:2 risk reward, and you could make a trading stop loss once when you achieve the targets. And you could go for a sell once when the market crosses below 2,713, and your targets might be 2,684 on the selling side. And our next stock is TCS. So the TCS has formed a double top pattern kind of near the resistance. So once when the market crosses below 3,539, you could go for a sell, and your first target will be 3,521, and our second target will be 3,500. We can only go for a buy once when the high gets broke, which is around the price of 3,561. Once when the market crosses above 3,561, we could go for a buy with 1:2 risk reward ratio. So this is all the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market. As I said, go with a minimum quantity as Wednesday will be hugely volatile, and also market has given a very good momentum today, so there could be some sideways for tomorrow. So go with a minimum quantity. And yes, all those screenshots have been shared in my Telegram channel. It is absolutely free, and the link of the channel has been given in the description. You could join our Telegram channel. And thanks for watching. Have a happy trading. Thank you.